Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report from Michael in Texas on this RCI-2970N2. Michael, we got it ready to go for you, bud. One of my favorite radios. I like AM and sideband both, and now a little FM. This thing just works out great for all those. This and the N4 really get with it. Michael, we did the tune alignment, we did the voltage regulator upgrade, and the adjacent bleed over filter. So I think you're really going to enjoy this one. RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug, 5 watts all the way down, we'll roll it up, 40 watts all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. I'll kind of put the 250 watt slug in, or 100 watt slug in the corner. Let's go with the 250 watt slug in average. It's about 110 bird. Peak power. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. This little joker here's pretty hot. 250 in the corner for you, Michael. Oh, and we got your amp on off switch right back there, okay? Alright, Michael, it's ready to come to you from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.